Take care of the process and all the small things. Eventually, you will get the desired result. These are the words of our Captain Cool, MS Dhoni. Well, the process is in place and the small things are taken care of. It's time for action. The moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. After 2 weeks of intense training, Tyler Dhoni and his Yellow Army are all set to get onto the field for IPL 2020 season opener against Mumbai Indians at the Sheikh Zayed Stadium in Abu Dhabi. Just a run separated these two teams when they met each other the last time around, the final of IPL 2019. Chennai Super Kings had a few net sessions and a couple of practice matches in Dubai in the lead up to this contest, and the players looked in fantastic touch. Dhoni launched the Super Kings' campaign in style with a massive hit that sailed out of the ground. Mentor Dhoni took center stage during the practice sessions and has been guiding the youngsters in the side. The support staff have ensured that the players were up and running quickly.
I think we have been preparing very well since a quarantine got released and all of us wanted to come back into cricket. So that's what last 10-15 days has been amazing. We played a couple of match stimulation and it has been a great experience overall leading up to the matches. Most likely Dhoni is a person who likes to interact with younger cricketers as well as the practice, the preparation side. He always want to feed on the information. After that, once the tournament starts, you just leave the players to handle on its own. So that is very important as a leader. So whatever information you have to pass it on, it's very important. Like you do it pre-season. So that's exactly what MS Dhoni is doing. So that's been phenomenal for all the youngsters, and even some of the experienced cricketers share the knowledge, exchange the knowledge. That is one aspect where MS has been great. So he's been phenomenal with us.
Senior pros such as Du Plessis, Shane Watson, Vijay, Raidu, Jadhav and Jadeja are primed and are ready for the task. Quicks Ngidi, Thakur, Asif, Chaha, Monu have hit their strides, and it was a treat to watch the Pacers in full flow under the lights at the 7th Stadium in Dubai during one of the match simulations as they went through their routines meticulously. The likes of Bravo, Santner and Tahir have joined the side. All eyes are on the spinners, and the likes of Jadeja, Karan Sharma, CSK's new recruits Chawla and Sai Kishore tested themselves against some top quality batsmen in the CSK ranks during a few match simulations.
My previous experience in 2014, that was when I last played 5-6 matches happened in Dubai. So wickets are pretty much going to have a little bit of subcontinent kind of stuff. Like normally you expect a little bit flat wicket getting slower and slower as the tournament progresses. So you cannot really predict because there is hardly any cricket being played in the last 9 months. So it would be like, there will be some liveliness in the upfront of the tournament. So we have to prepare for that. Doesn't matter, irrespective of the changes in the wicket and condition, we have to go along with that condition. So that's what we've been planning to do.
Mumbai, led by Rohit Sharma, will be playing in their new home, Abu Dhabi, but one can expect the Lions to roar irrespective of the venue. Both Chennai and Mumbai's never say die attitude has resulted in numerous epic finishes over the years.
I think it's always going to be two tough teams, two brilliant teams over the period of time, Mumbai Indians and CSK. So it's always a great opportunity for each and every one of us. So it is going to be interesting, and as the audience expects, so there will be a lot of thrilling moments. So I'm also waiting to witness that. Hopefully this time we will cross the line.
This IPL is all about the new normal, and one of them happens to be high voltage action in front of empty stands. While the love quotient will definitely be missed at the venue, one can certainly say that the whistles will definitely be heard loud and clear from India.
Yeah, obviously we will miss CSK fan because they are, I think, one of the best what I have seen in the IPL. So obviously we will miss them, but but the precautions are more important than the crowd. They can cheer from the home. We will try to win the cup for them again.
Chennai Super Kings ka 4